In today's video, I'm walking you through Taja AI, a YouTube SEO tool that automatically generates optimized titles, tags, descriptions, thumbnails, and even shorts from your video. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this channel breaks down the best digital tools to help you grow your business, optimize your content, and save hours every single week. If you've ever spent way too much time trying to figure out the perfect title, tags, or description for a YouTube video, or felt stuck guessing what keywords will help your video rank, this video is going to be for you, and that's where Taja AI comes in. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Taja AI? Taja AI is a platform built specifically for content creators who want to optimize their YouTube videos without spending hours doing keyword research, rewriting titles, or obsessing over SEO strategy. It uses AI to instantly analyze your video content, transcribe it, and generate everything from SEO optimized titles and descriptions to tags, chapters, and even short form video clips. What makes Taja different from general AI tools is that it's trained on YouTube's actual search and ranking behavior. So instead of just generating ideas, it's helping you make decisions that match what the YouTube algorithm is already favoring. Let's break down what it can actually do. So before we get into the demo, let's talk about some of the key features. So number one is title optimization with real SEO scoring. So Taja doesn't just spit out a few generic titles, it ranks them, assigning each option a score based on how well it performs in YouTube's algorithm. The top ranked title is usually the one with the best keyword placement, clarity, and engagement potential. You get multiple options, so you're not locked into the style. You can go short, bold, keyword heavy, or emotional, all with the confidence that's backed by data. Number two is dynamic description generation. Taja creates full video descriptions that are optimized with keyword hashtags and call to action placement. It also breaks out auto-generated chapters based on your video's content with no extra editing required. Whether you need something quick or want a solid foundation to tweak, the generated descriptions save you time while giving your video a better shot at ranking. Number three is tag recommendations with performance scores. Instead of guessing what tags to use, Taja analyzes your transcript and identifies relevant, high-performing tags. Each tag is scored from 0 to 100, so you can prioritize the best ones. If you're used to using tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you'll appreciate how fast and focused this tagging system is, especially for shorts. Number four is auto-generated shorts from your full video. So Taja can automatically generate 15 to 60-second shorts from your long-form content. This is complete with subtitles, headline text, and style overlays. You can preview, edit, and download these clips for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts without touching an editor. This is a massive time saver if you're trying to get more reach out of every video you publish. Number five is built-in publishing and multi-platform posting. So you can publish directly to YouTube from inside the Taja dashboard. No need to copy and paste SEO text, switch tabs, or log into multiple accounts. You can also post to TikTok and Twitter all in one go. If you want a true record once, publish everywhere workflow, this is definitely a standout feature. Number six is transcript and caption generator. So Taja automatically transcribes your video with high accuracy. The full transcript is available for download, reference, or inclusion in your YouTube description for better SEO. It also lets you generate and customize captions, including adjusting placement, font, and style if you're repurposing content as shorts. Number seven is thumbnail creation. So Taja includes a basic thumbnail generator. It actually pulls key phrases and frames from your video and builds thumbnails using AI. You can regenerate options, insert text overlays, or add branding. This is useful if you're in a rush and don't want to jump into Canva. It's definitely not as detailed as designer-built thumbnails, but it's a great fallback or brainstorming tool. Now let's get into how to use it. If you don't already have a Taja AI account or want to check it out for yourself and follow along, use our exclusive link in the description below. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and get started with their free trial. From here, you can go ahead and sign up with Google, or you can just create an email and password and click sign up. Once we're here, you can go ahead and drop a file here, or you can add a link right here. Go ahead and grab a link from here. Obviously, this is already posted, but it'll be good to look at it. Okay, amazing. Now, as you can see, they have generated a description for us. We've got hashtags in there. We've also got chapters. Then they've also got tags right here. So it's very, very easy and very simple to use. If you want to generate a new thumbnail, you can go ahead and do that. We've got the transcript down here. We've also got some title options right here. So go all in, stop settling for good enough. Why balance is sabotaging your goals? Set standards, not excuses. Transform today. The 80-20 rule is ruining your progress. Whole Foods. And then as you can see, there's a rating right here. Got the whole transcript. Again, you can use a link. So let's just say you uploaded it to YouTube, but you made it unlisted. So this is how you can use it before before you actually publish it. Or again, you can go ahead and just upload it directly from your computer. I have done the uploading directly from your computer, and since this is 4K, it's a really big file, so it does take a lot longer for it to upload and go ahead and give me all the information. Okay, so that is taking a long time, so let's go ahead and go to next step, which is repurposing content. Here's another video that I have done, and here is all of the repurposed content. So as you can see, it gives you a score right here. It also gives you hashtags, so you can go ahead and click right here. So they add a hook on here, and then they've also got subtitles, and then it'll also say watch the full video here, which is also really cool. And then you can see again, we've got the score, we've got the hook, we've got the captions, we've got the title right here, and you can actually just publish or schedule it right here. Here's also tags that they automatically add. Again, rewire your mindset as the hook. Then we've got the captions, we've got the score right here, all of the tags. So there's so many, and it just makes the process really easy that you can schedule and publish right directly from here. So if you schedule, you can go ahead and pick a date. You can say where you want it to be posted to. We can go ahead and edit these as well. So we would have to obviously adjust this a bit. We can adjust the style, the text, the color, the position. There's also B-roll, so you can auto B-roll with AI, which is really cool. You can download it directly if you would like. So again, it's very straightforward, easy to use, intuitive, and it just makes your life so much easier because you can actually just focus on the long form content and let Taja do the rest. Then when you have your homepage, you can see you've got all of your recent videos. You can see what's next. You can see everything is organized. Now I wanted to go over the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so first up, they have their starter plan, and with this, we've got monthly and we've got annually. So this plan is $49.99 a month and $490 billed annually. So you can save a little bit if you pay annually. With this, you get YouTube long form optimization, 72 videos, you get shorts generated, unlimited and no watermark, you get blog, LinkedIn, and Threads post generation, content scheduling across platforms, content idea generation. Next is the semi-pro plan. So this is $79.99 a month or $790 billed annually. So again, you can save more if you pay annually. You get everything in your starter plan plus more videos and 3 seats for your team. And then lastly is the pro plan, which is $109.99 billed monthly or $1,099 billed annually. And with this, you get everything in the semi-pro plan plus more videos and 5 seats for your team. So the starter plan is always a great place to start. You get all of the same features, but it just depends on how many videos you actually need to post. So again, if you want to check them out, we've left our exclusive link in the description for you. And I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use them, we just want to thank you so much in advance. It really just helps us to continue to create free content like this for you. So should you use Taja AI? If you're serious about YouTube, whether you're posting shorts, long form content, tutorials, or talking head videos, Taja AI is one of the most practical tools you can use. It's fast, accurate, and built specifically around YouTube's algorithm, not just general AI text generation. For creators who post consistently, this is going to save you hours every single week. For businesses or agencies managing multiple videos, it brings serious structure to your SEO workflow. It won't make your videos for you, but it will get them discovered faster and with less guesswork. And again, if you want to check them out, you can get started with a free trial so you can see how it fits into your content process. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs get more done using the right tools. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.